Hi parents, are you looking for a simple way to teach or test your child at home? Then I've got great news for you. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT, a free and friendly AI tool, to support your child's learning at home, anytime, anywhere. So, one may ask, what is ChatGPT? So, let me explain it in a simple way. ChatGPT is like a smart tutor. You type a question and it gives answers instantly. So, whether it is mathematics, science, English language, or for general knowledge, ChatGPT explains things in a way your child can understand. And yes, it is free. So let's see how you can access it. Now you can see on my screen, how will you find ChatGPT? Just search on your browser, sign in with your email, or you sign up by filling the required information, and just as it is, you can do everything with it. The only thing is, I'm going to show you how you can control ChatGPT in a way that it will give you the answers you need. Else, it's an AI, it will give you a lot of things that are irrelevant to what you are looking for. Great, you're welcome back to the tips and tricks on how you can get the most out of ChatGPT as a parent or as a guardian to assist your children improve their academic performance. Trust me, it is working like magic. Now, if this video is helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, share, comments, and like. So now let's see. Now that you have created your account, let's see how you can use ChatGPT for teaching and assessing. So for example, let's say you are teaching your child fraction. This is mathematics. Now, so the fraction, how are you going to go about it? So I have a prompt here. Now, for you to communicate with any AI model, we call it prompt. Prompt simply means you key in a statement that will help the AI know what you want. So we are looking at fraction. So this is what I type. I said, explain fractions to a 9-year-old with examples. Now, this is the trick. You see, I said explain fraction. If I leave it explain fraction, it will give me a whole lot of explanation that will not benefit the child. So I said to a 9-year-old with example, or if you know the grade level of your child, you can also say the explain fractions to a child who is in grade 3 or grade 4. Now let's click on enter and see the response ChatGPT will give us. Now it says, sure, let's explain fractions in a simple way that a 9-year-old can easily understand with examples. It says, what is a fraction? Then it tells you, imagine you have a pizza. Then you know that children already love pizza. So it is giving you the examples you added. So it is there. So if you're a parent, you just list and then ChatGPT will help you. Don't worry, this prompt, I have them in the description. All these prompts you can edit and add your own for any subject. So what do the numbers mean? Fractions, we have two, so it has explained everything. We have the top number, the numerator, the denominator, and the rest. Now this is the easy examples. Chocolate bar, it is there. Example 2, sharing an apple. Example 3, birthday cake. So it is making the fraction more practical. So if you're a parent, you don't struggle to assist your children. It is just there. Then it will even give you tips how you can make things easier for your child. Now let's move on to the next. Now let's assume that you have explained this concept. If still you are not convinced, do you know what you can do? You can just say, can you still give me more examples? Then ChatGPT will still give you more examples so that you use it to explain. Say, absolutely, here are more fun and easy examples. I hope you are liking and you are loving this video. You realize that by the time you finish, you can teach your children all subjects. Now it has given you a whole bunch of examples. Watermelon, crayon, school bus, pizza, and everything. Great. So now that we know, you want to assess your child. How would you do the assessment? Now let me go to the prompt I typed and I said, create a 5-question quiz on fractions for a 9-year-old with answers. Now you see, this that we are doing, we are actually creating this. You have to be on ChatGPT. But do you know that you can ask ChatGPT to actually give you this particular write-up in Word document form? So you can just generate it, save it in Word document form, and you open it on your phone. You are using it to teach your children. So all that you have to do is add this phrase. Now all that you tell ChatGPT is that your response should be in a Word document format. So give me the downloadable link to download it when you finish. Then you click on enter. So if you are using a free version, it has a limit, but if you are using the Pro version, you can generate as many Word document format as you want. So that is the other aspect of it. So you wait patiently, it will finish and give you, provided I have not exhausted my free plan, how I can use ChatGPT. Today I've used it a lot. If I have exhausted the free plan, then it will not be able to give me the Word document. But don't worry, it will still give you the responses in a text form. So let's wait patiently and see the quiz that it will give to us. So when we tell ChatGPT to give you in a Word document format, you realize that it will not give you the test, it will tell you analyzing. Now you can see that it is saying click here to download. So all the tests are in this downloaded document. So when the download is over, you just click open it and then you are using it. So whilst you are going on, I will open it. Let me click here. Here it is. Our fraction quiz to assess our 9-year-old is now ready, and it has given you the answer. So you, the parent, you don't struggle. The answer is already here. So it tells you if you eat 2 slices of a pizza that was cut into 8 equal slices, what fractions of the pizza did you eat? Then you write it 2 out of 8. Then your child will score it for you, and you realize that you are now becoming a professional mathematics teacher at home. Congratulations with ChatGPT. So let's move on. The questions are here. 5, we said 5, so it has given us 5. So you can use this one, and then instead of using ChatGPT, let's assume you don't have internet connection because you have already generated this whilst you are going to work. When you come home, you can just be using it. Great. Now let's move on. The next thing is, now you want to create a study pattern, what you call a schedule. How do you do that? Just ask ChatGPT to do that one for you. It's pretty easy and simple. Don't forget, I only use mathematics. You can use science, you can use English. The rule is that make sure you include the year or the grade level, and to restrict ChatGPT, else it will give you a lot of information that you yourself, you will not know where to start. Great. So let's move on to the schedule. So here I typed create a weekly study plan for a 10-year-old learning English and science. Then it will just give it to you just like that. Sit down, relax, everything will come. Weekly plan, day, subject, and it follows. Reading a short story, and you are now a teacher. In fact, let me say congratulations to you again. So you realize that it has given you the plan. All you have to do is the next secret I'm going to show you. Now you have this. Are you going to go back through all these like fraction and no? And this is the trick. Now you realize that all the subjects that your children are learning in school, they come with textbooks. So that is the last trick I'm going to show you. And here it is. Just come to this plus icon, then upload. What are you uploading? Let's assume that science, they are learning any interest in how the rain fall or whatever they are learning. Take a nice picture with your phone camera, or if you don't have a picture, all that you have to do is use any of the apps that can scan document. Then you scan, let's say, a chapter or about 3 or 4 pages. When you scan, you save it either as a Word or a picture format or as a PDF. Now you come to ChatGPT. This is the secret. You come to ChatGPT and then you look for either the picture or the thing you scan. Okay, so fire alarm system final. This is a Word document. Now let's assume that this is what I want to ask questions. You are a parent, maybe your child has learned, he or she has come, mommy, I want you to help me so that the exams I will pass. Don't scream at your child. Don't worry. Tell your child, go and bring the textbook. You ask them, which area have you covered this term or this semester? Take a nice picture, or if you have the recording app, you can scan it. Then you upload it. When you upload it, you have to tell ChatGPT what to do with this file. So all these ones, I have it there, so you can have it. Let's go, and then you copy this, you paste it. So I have this one attached at the description column. You can download it. So this one, it says that I'm uploading a document that contains learning materials for students. Analyze the content and generate the following types of questions based strictly on the test. So you see, you are telling ChatGPT that the questions it's supposed to ask you must be from this document. Now, the first one, 5 multiple choice questions with 4 options each, and indicate the correct answer. Please make sure you always tell ChatGPT to indicate, because it will assume that you know and it will give you the question. So you say everything and then you click on enter. So now You just have to sit down, tell your child that you go and revise, I'm coming. Then multiple choice question. What is the primary function of a fire alarm system? The correct answer is B, to detect smoke, heat, and flames early. So you see, then it comes to the short answer question. What types of element can fire alarm systems contain? Then, just like that, fill in the blank questions. Then the answers are here for all. So basically, that is how, as a parent or as a guardian, you can use ChatGPT to improve upon your child's performance. And everything is as easy as simple. Now it says, now I will generate a Word document with this full content for download. One moment please. Then it is here, just as it is. Now the last one, maybe your child is disturbing you with homework. Don't scream at your child. The child doesn't know. So I have a simple prompt here. Help my child answer. What causes rain? Hit enter. But if you want to use a document, the rule is that make sure it is clear for the AI to access it. Now it is here. What causes rain? Everything. Just like that. Simple answer for your child. And you are done. So congratulations. Now you are now a professional teacher at home. So you are supposed to help complement the work teachers are doing at school. Teachers, watch out. Students, watch out. I'm bringing in your own. Your video is ready and it will be uploaded shortly. This video was for children who are below age and they cannot actually interact with AI, or they will not be able to give the information that they needed. That's it. With ChatGPT, you don't need to be an expert to help your child learn at home. Give it a try and let learning become fun and stress-free. Like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.